In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward a message in Microsoft Teams. Forwarding messages can be a really handy feature when you want to share information from a chat with someone else in your organization, without the hassle of copying and pasting. Let's walk through this simple process together, ensuring that you feel comfortable and confident by the end. First, let's open Microsoft Teams on your device. You may have the desktop app or you might be using it through a web browser. Either way, the process is very similar. Take a moment to sign in, if you aren't already, as this ensures that you'll be able to access the features we're discussing. Now that you're in, navigate to the chat section in the sidebar. Here, you'll find all your recent interactions organized conveniently by team channels or individual conversations. Locate the specific conversation that contains the message you wish to forward. Once you have the chat open, find the message. If your chat thread is long, you might need to scroll up or down to find it. Next, hover over the message you want to forward. You'll notice a series of icons appearing near the top right corner of the message. Focus on the icon that looks like an ellipsis, or 3 horizontal dots. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu, offering several options related to the message you're currently focusing on. Within this menu, look for and select the option that says Share. Microsoft Teams will then prompt you to choose who you want to forward this message to. You have the flexibility to search for an individual contact by typing their name or email address in the search bar provided. Alternatively, you can choose one of your existing chat threads or team channels from the list. This ensures you have the correct recipient or group in mind before proceeding. Once you've selected your recipient, take a moment to add a note, if you wish. This can be useful for providing additional context or highlighting why you're sharing this particular message. Just type directly below where it says Add a message or note. When you're ready, simply click the send icon, which usually looks like a paper airplane. This will forward the message, along with any personal note you attached, to your chosen recipient or group, making it easy to transfer crucial information quickly and efficiently. And there you have it. Forwarding messages in Microsoft Teams turns out to be a breeze with just a few quick steps. By getting acquainted with this function, you ensure that communication within your team stays seamless and effective. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most of Microsoft Teams. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.